In a different forest, Corey started fishing. I got something. I got something. Rats, it's another shoe. I'm supposed to catch fish, not shoes. I got enough shoes and still no fish. I suck at fishing. There is no fish in the water anywhere. Just shoes. I need some fish to fry, not shoes to wear. Oh well, I'll just eat a shoe. Then for dinner. 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 But yeah, whatever. Okay, back to reading. So instead of a bucket full of fish, Corey went home with a big bag full of shoes to eat. Hey Corey, what are you cooking? Not just see, I mean nothing. Just seeing if microwave works. First I'll put the shoe in there. Put the shoe in the microwave and turn it on. As the shoe was in the microwave, it burned up in flames. Flippy panicked. What? Why is the microwave on fire? Good thing good thing I got the garden hose. Well, all wet and the fire is gone, but the microwave is still busted up. What is that? A shoe? Yeah. Yes. Yes! I was cooking a shoe in the microwave to eat for supper. And Princess Creed is coming to my castle tonight. Can't wait. Let me guess, you going to feed her that? No, this shoe is a nighttime snack. Nom 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 nom. Corey, you and Princess Cretan are the two most weirdest people I ever met. Yeah, that's the same things my parents tell me. Everyone used to think I weird. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm sorry to hear that. By the way, I thought you meaning her at her castle, like she said. Why her come here? There was a change of plans. She called me on the phone. Well, I'm leaving before she gets here. Because I hate this bitch. From there, Fliffy left the castle. Then there was a knock at the door. Knock, knock, knock.